Jupiter, the king of planets, a gas giant so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But what if one day, Earth left its orbit and started hurtling toward Jupiter at incredible speed? What would happen to our planet, to humanity, to the solar system itself? Buckle up, because this cosmic collision isn't just catastrophic, it's a journey into the unimaginable. For Earth to collide with Jupiter, something catastrophic must have already happened. Perhaps a rogue star wandered too close to our solar system, disrupting the delicate gravitational dance of planets. Or maybe a black hole passed by, pulling Earth out of its orbit and sending it careening toward Jupiter. Such an event would already spell doom for humanity, long before the collision even occurred. As Earth begins its journey toward the gas giant, the effects are immediate and devastating. Without the stabilizing pull of the sun, our planet's climate spirals into chaos. Day and night cycles become erratic. Seasons disappear. Tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions become the norm as Earth's internal dynamics respond to the gravitational chaos. Yet these are merely the opening acts of a cosmic catastrophe. As Earth drifts closer to Jupiter, the gas giant's immense gravitational force begins to exert its influence. From millions of miles away, Jupiter's pull causes tidal waves on Earth that dwarf anything we've ever experienced. Entire continents are submerged as oceans rise and fall in waves thousands of feet high. But water isn't the only thing moving. Earth's crust starts to shift and buckle under the strain. Earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude ripple across the globe, splitting continents apart. Volcanoes that have been dormant for millennia erupt violently, spewing ash and lava into the atmosphere. The sky turns dark, blocking out what little sunlight remains. At this point, humanity is unlikely to survive. If some small groups manage to endure in underground shelters, they're facing a bleak future. Resources dwindle, and the growing gravitational force makes life on the surface uninhabitable. As Earth enters Jupiter's neighborhood, things get even worse. Jupiter's magnetic field, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, begins to overwhelm our planet's magnetosphere. Without this protective shield, Earth is bombarded by deadly cosmic radiation. Any remaining life on the surface is wiped out. The auroras that once lit up Earth's poles now cover the entire sky, a beautiful but deadly display of the incoming radiation. Meanwhile, Earth's atmosphere begins to dissipate, stripped away by the gas giant's immense gravitational pull. Our blue planet becomes a barren, airless rock. Jupiter's atmosphere itself is a swirling chaos of hydrogen and helium. Winds reaching speeds of 380 miles per hour tear through its clouds, and storms like the Great Red Spot, larger than Earth, rage on for centuries. For Earth, entering this chaotic environment is akin to being fed into a cosmic blender. When Earth finally reaches Jupiter, it doesn't collide with a solid surface. Unlike terrestrial planets, Jupiter is mostly composed of gas. As Earth plunges into its upper atmosphere, friction and pressure begin to tear our planet apart. The atmosphere ignites first, creating a fiery explosion visible across the solar system. Oceans vaporize instantaneously, and Earth's crust crumbles into fragments. Deeper into Jupiter's layers, the pressure becomes so intense that Earth's remains are compressed into a molten mass. This mass sinks deeper and deeper, eventually merging with Jupiter's core. Here, temperatures exceed 24,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13,000 degrees Celsius, and the remnants of our planet dissolve completely. What about Jupiter? For a planet of its size, the collision with Earth is little more than a blip. While the energy released is equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, it's insignificant compared to Jupiter's overall mass and structure. However, the collision does leave temporary marks. Jupiter's atmosphere might glow brightly for a short period, visible even from distant parts of the solar system. The energy released could generate new storms or amplify existing ones, adding to the planet's already chaotic weather patterns. Earth's destruction sends shock waves through the solar system. Debris from the collision is flung outward, potentially bombarding nearby moons like Europa, Ganymede, and Io. Some fragments might even escape Jupiter's gravity, becoming rogue asteroids. Jupiter's gravitational pull could also shift slightly, altering the orbits of its moons. Over time, these changes might create new collisions or trigger volcanic activity on these celestial bodies. The delicate balance of the solar system is disrupted, though the Sun and other planets continue their orbits largely unaffected. For humanity, this event marks the end. Even if some humans manage to survive the initial chaos, they'd face an uninhabitable Earth long before the collision. Colonies on the Moon or Mars, if they existed, might witness the event from afar, but their chances of survival without Earth's resources are slim. While Earth colliding with Jupiter is purely hypothetical, the scenario underscores the fragility of our existence. Our planet relies on a delicate balance of forces to sustain life. Even minor disruptions in the solar system could have catastrophic consequences for humanity. Jupiter, despite its destructive potential, has also been a protector. Its massive gravity deflects asteroids and comets that might otherwise strike Earth. In a way, the gas giant serves as our cosmic guardian. So next time you look up at the night sky and spot a faint dot that's Jupiter, remember, it's more than a giant planet. It's a reminder of the vast and unpredictable universe we call home. What do you think? Could humanity ever survive such a cosmic event? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending cosmic what-ifs. Until next time, stay curious.